The GRIDSERVE Electric Highway covers the vast majority of motorway service areas in the UK, and that provision is split between low and medium power EV chargers, as well as the brand new high power EV chargers you'll see at our electric super hubs. The main reason for all of these options is choice. These are the fuel pumps of our future, and we want to ensure that any type of electric vehicle can easily use our network. Fortunately, charging on any GRIDSERVE Electric Highway device is the same easy two-step process. You simply plug in and pay. Now, to demonstrate, I'm going to be using one of the medium power EV chargers, which has a max capacity of 60 kilowatts of power. The industry refers to anything above 50 kilowatts of power as rapid charging. But what you need to remember is that your car will only charge at the maximum rate your car will allow, meaning that if it has a maximum cap of 50 kilowatts of power, that's all the charger will give you. First up, you'll need to select the right connector. Most cars, such as this Volkswagen ID3, use the CCS connector, which you can see here. However, some cars like the Nissan Leaf use the blue CHAdeMO connector. So I'm going to take my CCS connector, open up the charging flap and plug it in. Step 1, done. Step 2 is payment. All of GRIDSERVE's chargers feature these contactless panels, so you can pay with debit or credit cards, as well as Google or Apple Pay. So you can use your card, your phone, or even your watch. As you can see, the panel is prompting me for payment, so I'm going to use my Apple Pay. Listen for the beep, and we're good. Now, as you can see, my payment has been accepted and the charging session is about to begin. You'll hear some clinks and clunks, which is completely normal. All of the checks are being completed, and we're charging. Most electric cars have an app where you can review the charging status remotely while you're having a quick coffee. But as you can see on the screen, you can see the rate of charge being delivered to the car in real time. It's important to note that charging an electric car isn't linear. The rate at which your car can charge greatly reduces as it nears 80% capacity. This is to protect your car from overheating. As a result, you'll find that charging that last 20% takes a long time. So unless you really need those extra miles, you're better off just charging up to 80%, jumping back on the road and heading to a motorway service area once you need to charge again. Remember, you can see the real-time status of all GRIDSERVE Electric Highway chargers via our website or on all major charging apps, including ZapMap. So you always know what chargers are available at each location, as well as what power and connector types each unit has. To stop the session, use the same payment method you used to begin the session, remove the CCS connector and place it back in the holster. And if you'd like to download a copy of your receipt, you can head to gridserve.com/receipt. If you have any issues with your EV charging experience, you can call the UK service number on the charger. And that is charging with the GRIDSERVE Electric Highway. Thanks for watching, and if you need any more advice on charging or any other info, head to gridserve.com.